Some pocket knives look tough in the photos, then show up feeling like gas station regret with a pocket clip. Others look simple, almost boring, and end up being the knife you carry every single day for years. That's what makes this category tricky. The best pocket knife is not always the biggest, the sharpest looking, or the most expensive. It's the one that balances steel, lock strength, comfort, weight, and real-world usefulness. So today on All About Survival, we're ranking 10 of the best pocket knives, from 10 down to 1. And the top picks are popular for very good reasons. (10) Civivi Yonder. Yonder is a strong everyday carry option if you want something lightweight, simple, and easy to control. It comes with a 2.88-inch 14 C28N blade, which is a practical stainless steel for daily use. It holds up well for normal cutting tasks, resists corrosion better than any budget steels, and is not too difficult to sharpen. The crossbar lock is one of the big highlights here. It gives the knife a smooth, secure feel and makes it easy to use with either hand. The G10 handle keeps the grip light and practical, which is great for camping, hiking, or regular pocket carry. Designed by Zach Whitmore, the Yonder has a clean look that does not feel overdone. It is not trying to be huge or flashy. It feels like a sensible EDC knife for people who want comfort, control, and reliable everyday performance in a compact size. 9. Victorinox Swiss Army Pioneer X. This is the most friendly and low-key option on the list. It is not just a blade. It is a small multi-tool with a main knife, scissors, awl, openers, and that classic A-Lux aluminum frame. That makes it useful in places where a bigger folding knife might feel out of place. The blade uses Victorinox's proprietary stainless steel, which is easy to maintain and simple to sharpen. It is not designed for heavy work, but for normal daily cutting tasks, it does the job well. The slip joint design means the blade does not lock, so careful use matters. The real star here is the scissors. They are excellent for small everyday jobs, and they make this tool useful even when you are not using the blade. For office carry, light travel, and simple daily tasks, the Pioneer X is a classic for a reason. 8. CRKT Squid. This is a small knife with a surprisingly tough feel. It has a compact blade around 2.14 inches, so it is easy to carry and does not take up much space. But even though it is small, it feels stout, almost like a little bulldog in your pocket. The wide drop point blade gives it more cutting ability than you might expect. It uses 8 CR13 MOV steel, which is common in budget knives. It is not premium steel, but it is easy to sharpen and works fine for light everyday use. The frame lock is simple and strong enough for normal tasks. This is a good pick for someone who wants a compact, affordable knife that feels solid. It will not beat the premium knives in edge retention, but for casual carry and backup use, it makes a lot of sense. 7. Kershaw Leek. This knife has been popular for years, and it still holds up because the design is slim, clean, and practical. Designed by Ken Onion, it has a sleek profile that makes it easy to carry in a pocket without feeling bulky. The blade steel is Sandvik 14 C28N, which is a strong everyday stainless steel. It resists corrosion well and is easy enough to maintain. The 410 stainless steel frame gives the knife a smooth, durable feel. The blade has a fine Warncliffe-style tip, which makes it great for precise cuts, opening packages, and clean slicing jobs. The SpeedSafe assisted opening gives it quick, smooth deployment. The main thing to remember is that the fine tip is better for control than abuse. This is not the knife you choose for rough prying or heavy campsite chores. But for a slim everyday cutting tool, the Leek is still one of the most trusted names in the pocket knife world. 6. QSP Penguin. This updated Penguin knife keeps the useful 3.06-inch blade size, but changes the formula in a few important ways. Instead of D2 steel, This version uses 14C28N, which is a great everyday stainless steel because it is easier to maintain and offers better corrosion resistance for daily carry. The copper foil G10 handle gives it a more eye-catching look while still keeping the grip practical. The glide lock and ceramic ball bearings also make the action feel smoother and more modern than a basic liner lock setup. The Penguin design is still known for being practical first. It is great for utility cuts, opening boxes, slicing tape, and controlled everyday tasks. This version simply makes the knife feel more refined while keeping that same workhorse personality. 5. SOG Terminus XR. This is a strong mid-range option for people who want a secure lock and multiple ways to open the knife. It uses D2 tool steel, which gives good edge performance for the price, although it does need a little more care around moisture than more stainless steels. The XR lock is the feature that makes it stand out. It works in a crossbar style, giving the knife a strong and smooth feel. It is also friendly for left-handed users, which is always a plus. You can open it with a flipper tab, thumb studs, or by pulling back the lock. That gives it a flexible, fun feel without turning it into a toy. It is a real everyday tool with a bit of personality. The Terminus XR is not the lightest knife here, but it feels tough and useful. For someone who wants crossbar lock confidence without premium pricing, this is a smart choice. Before we move into the top 4, subscribe to All About Survival for more simple gear breakdowns that help you carry smarter and choose better tools. 4. CJRB Pyrite. This knife has earned attention because it gives you a clean design, smooth action, and strong value. It is not loud or overbuilt. It feels like a modern everyday carry knife that knows exactly what it wants to be. The Pyrite uses AR RPM9 steel, CJRB's proprietary powder steel. It is made to balance edge retention, corrosion resistance, and easy sharpening at a reasonable price. For most people, that balance matters more than chasing the most expensive steel name. The button lock is smooth and easy to use, and the drop point blade shape handles common cutting tasks well. Depending on the version, you can find it with steel handles or G10 handles, so weight and grip can vary. This is a great pick for someone who wants a sleek, capable EDC knife without jumping into premium prices. It looks clean, carries well, and performs better than its price might suggest. 3. Civivi Elementum 2. This is one of the easiest mid-range knives to recommend because it feels simple, refined, and useful. The original Elementum was already popular, but this version improves the formula with Nitro V blade steel and a button lock. Nitro V is a practical everyday steel. It gives a nice mix of toughness, corrosion, resistance, and edge performance. It is not just about showing off a fancy name. It is about being useful in real life. The button lock makes the knife smooth, fun, and easy to handle one-handed. The shape is clean and not too aggressive, which makes it feel comfortable for daily carry. It works well for opening packages, cutting cord, and handling light outdoor jobs. The Elementum 2 hits that sweet spot where price, quality, and design all meet. It feels polished without feeling too delicate. For many people, this could be the best everyday knife on the list. 2. Spyderco Para 3. This is a more pocket-friendly version of the famous Paramilitary 2, and it keeps a lot of what people love about the larger knife. It is not the thinnest knife here, but it gives excellent control, grip, and cutting performance. The G10 handle scales offer strong traction, which matters when your hands are wet, cold, or tired. Blade steel can vary by version, with CPM S45VN or CPM S30V depending on the production run. Either way, this is a serious performer. The compression lock is one of the biggest strengths. It is strong, clever, and keeps your fingers out of the blade path when closing. The classic Spyderco round hole also makes one-handed opening easy. The Para 3 has a wider pocket profile than some slimmer knives, but that is part of the trade-off. You get grip, control, and confidence. For anyone who wants a premium EDC knife that feels ready for real work, this is a top-tier choice. 1. Benchmade Bugout 535. This knife practically defines the ultralight everyday carry category. It gives you a full-size cutting tool while staying extremely light in the pocket. At about 1.85 ounces, it almost disappears until you need it. The Grivery handle scales help keep the weight low, while the 3.24-inch CPM S30V blade gives you premium cutting performance. That steel offers strong edge retention and good corrosion resistance, making it a reliable choice for daily carry. The axis lock is another major reason people love this knife. It is ambidextrous, smooth, and easy to use with either hand. The Bugout feels modern, simple, and extremely practical. The main downside is the price. Some people may also want a handle that feels heavier or more solid. But if lightweight carry matters to you, this knife is hard to beat. So, which one should you choose? For a simple multi-tool, the Pioneer X is excellent. For budget value, the QSP Penguin is hard to ignore. For mid-range performance, the Civivi Elementum 2 and CJRB Pyrite are both strong picks. And for premium lightweight carry, the Benchmade Bugout 535 earns the one spot. Choose a knife that fits your hand, your local rules, and the jobs you actually do. Watch the next video on All About Survival for more gear worth carrying.